This quick guide explains how to buy shares of M/I Homes Inc., a U.S. home builder listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MHO, and outlines the basic steps to complete a purchase. This content is educational only and not financial advice. Investing carries risk and results are not guaranteed. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your identity with an ID and add funds to your account before placing orders. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker MHO to find M/I Homes Inc. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the correct company name to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to make sure this is M/I Homes Inc. Confirm the exchange reads NASDAQ and the ticker is MHO before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before completing the purchase. After your order executes, you will see the MHO position in your portfolio. Find the example link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the same steps.